Birdie. Hi.
It's so strange, a bird's existence. They just live their day by day without a thought in their mind. I have all these wants, concerns, desires, worries, none of which a bird could relate to. Nor could I relate to a bird. They live such a simple life, and yet, that makes me wonder, do they ever want more? Do you want more, you little bird? You fly away, not a thought heard. Do you want more than what you need? Do you have wants, or are you free? Oh, little bird, listen to me. When you grow up, you're gonna see. You're gonna fly above the tree where you were hatched, and now you're born. Your feathers scratched, forever torn. Your mother passed, forever mourn. But you're alive, go about your day, and live on, bird, another day. Do you want more? It's hard to say. If you want more, then that's okay. Do you want more, or are you fine? I'll see you